Seems like there's a new update. It's a smaller one. When we are here in our personal gallery, we can now download our stuff in bulk mode, so we can download everything that we've created in a day. You may want to filter this and only download the upscaled ones, obviously, but you could also download the grids. And let me show you this. I'll left click on it. It's a zip file, so you have to unzip it, but much better than selecting the images one by one and downloading them. You can also filter them using the search prompts. So if I use, for example, Kubrick, I've done a couple of images with this. I can now bulk download them, still by day sorted, but it's only the ones that have Kubrick in its prompt. And if you just want to have a single one, it's still left clicking on an image, clicking on the three dots and downloading as usual. But I really like this bulk download. It saves us a lot of time and clicks. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.